In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Sendit application. So here, just go ahead and open up your Sendit. And from here, you will be redirected to the main home screen of Sendit. So in your Sendit application, here just click on the Ask Me Anything text box there, and from here you can actually change this one. So for example, I want to ask, and from here just click on the check at the bottom right corner, and here just click on the share button that you see on your bottom center screen. And from here you'll be redirected into your Snapchat, and from here you could just basically post this one on your story, and other users or your friends can reply to it and ask you your questions. And that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.